Hi everyone, I'm Jason Kim Redwoodley, and today we'll explain about the hydrostatic table for a ship. This topic is very important marine engineering. Ginagamit ito para malaman natin kung paano lumulutang at bumabalanse ang barko sa tubig. Simple lang ito if we understand the terms clearly. So let us start first. What is hydrostatic table? The hydrostatic table is a list of values of a ship at different drafts. Makikita dito ang displacement, TPC, MTC, LCB, at LCF. These values help us know if the ship is safe when loading cargo. Simple words, parang guidebook ito ng barko para hindi ito tumagilid o lumubog. Now, let us define displacement. Displacement is total weight of the ship including cargo, fuel, crew, and supplies. Ito ang timbang ng tubig na tinulak o na-displace ng barko. Ayon sa principle ni Archimedes, a floating body displaces water equal to its weight. So if the ship weighs 8,000 tons, it also displaces 8,000 tons of water. Next is TPC, tons per centimeter. TPC means the number of tons needed to change the drop by 1 centimeter. Kung ang TPC is 15 tons centimeter, it means 15 tons of cargo will increase the drop by centimeter. If we remove 15 tons, pababa ang drop ng 1 centimeter. So TPC shows how the ship reacts to added for remove weight. For the continuation, I'll give the floor to my partner.
Hi everyone, I am Jergo Gumapak, and now I will continue the discussion. Let us talk about MTC, moment to change trim. MTC is the moment needed to change trim by 1 centimeter. It is measured in ton meters. If MTC is 200 ton meters, we need 200 ton meters of moment to change trim by 1 centimeter. Kung maglipat tayo ng cargo from bow to stern, it creates trimming moment. Mas mataas ang MTC, mas mahirap magbago ang trim. Next is LCB, longitudinal center of buoyancy. From midship, LCB is the center of buoyant force. It is measured in meters forward or aft midship. If LCB is plus 1.5 meters, it means 1.5 meters forward of midship. Kung negative aft siya, importante ito para balanse ang barko. Another important term is LCF, longitudinal center of flotation. From midship, LCF is the point where the ship rotates when trimming. Parang pivot point siya. If LCF is 2 meters aft of midship, doon umiikot ang barko when trimming happens. This helps us to compute the new forward, and aft drafts. Now let us calculate the trim. Example, 40 tons of cargo is moved 8 meters aft. Moment equals weight times distance. Moment equals 40 times 8 is equals to ton meters, 320 ton meters. If MTC equals 160 ton meters, change in trim equals moment divided by MTC. Change in trim equals 320 divided by 160 is equals to 2 centimeter. So the ship will trim by 2 centimeter. Since weight moved aft, magtitrim siya by the stern. Kung forward naman nilipat, trim by the bow. Maura na ang simple way to compute trim.
To conclude, the hydrostatic table helps us understand displacement, TPC, MTC, LCB, and LCF. These are very important for safe loading. If we compute correctly, safe ang barko sa dagat. And that's all for our presentation about the hydrostatic table for ship. Thank you for listening.